How to share a product to Gmail from Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Now after you choose the product that you want to share, all what you have to do is click here in the top corner on the product on this share option and click here, swipe right until you find the Gmail icon, and then you will be able to share it directly and easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.